Carefully, don't make mistakes like this. No way, nobody's going to know that this thing has got screen protectors on. Welcome to the Xtra family. In no way or form is Xtra or Xtra has anything to say about this, but they are in a way supporting, sponsoring the Xtra sphere. Yes, indeed. I want to thank Xtra for sending me the camera. And we are here with two other cameras and filming with the Xtra Muse and the Xtra Atto as my all-time fave go-to camera, action camera. This completes the kit. And if you want two other types of cameras on the market that are Xtra cameras, they're the Edge and Edge Pro. This is the unboxing of the Sphra. We call it the Sphere. It's called the Sphra by Xtra. Let me just give you a little heat of warning. These are silicone gel packs. They're inside the camera. Please be very careful in removing them. I want to clear everything that's in my way out of my way. And I just want to let you know, this is a DJI Osmo 360 cage. It will not fit the Xtra Sphra. Let's open up the bad boy, show you what you get inside. Please, with the tab open, face it down and pull out. You're going to remove the lenses. They're the protective lenses. You don't get a cleaning cloth and you don't get a duster, but these are dusters and they come in different sizes and different prices. So when handling these screen covers, lens covers, you do want to make sure you don't get fingerprints on the outside and especially inside. You could take the duster, you could take this little mini fan and you could blow the air to clean it, like so. You do get two, so please be careful. Now take note, they may have like a goldish yellowish tint to them. Let's do one of these. Put it right in the front. And pull it away. But do you see that goldish yellowish tint I'm talking about? Maybe because it's my lighting, I don't know. USB-C to C cable. It's your transmission, charging cable, and more. And you got your battery over here by Xtra. Interchangeable with the Action 5, 4, 3, Edge, Edge Pro, as well as the Sphra. Model BC2501 1900. That is the power of the battery. Inside the case will be a silicone packet. You have your camera case and an instruction guide to go over at your leisure. It has the application for Droid and Apple and information how to quickly start your camera. This is the important part as we open up. You got a nice soft shell case with rubber straps. It doesn't have the words Xtra anywhere on it. And inside here is going to be another covering, your camera. Inside you have a pocket. This is where you could store your plastic lenses, like so, out of the way. You can open up the casing and pull out. And please remember, don't place it on a hard table. Make sure you have a microcloth that you can lay it down on. You do not get a quick mount, no quick mount, or a tripod stand. So it does attach to the quick mount system and it has a 1/4 20 thread. We're going to place us on the tripod stand so it's off the table. You take your microcloth, give it a little clean. You take the plastic lens, you go from the bottom, there's a little notch. You simply lay it on and you snap it on. It may take a few tries to do it. Once you get used to it, they go on easy. I'll do a real close-up one for you. Over here, there's a notch, and on top, there's a line. Simply do your best to get it in there and snap. That's it. It's on there real easy, and it won't come off. It'll protect it from hitting the table and falling and bouncing around. But you want to make sure that it goes on there properly. When it sits in there and goes over, it snaps on solid, so you have no holes. If this is on wrong, just a little bit off, you're going to have lines. New design door, pull, slide down, lift up. Inside is going to be a silicone thing. You can try your best to shake it out. Do your best to grab it. Once you grab it and get it out, place your battery in, and then you're able to charge it up. It goes in one way. Otherwise, you'd be trying to pull the battery out. Make sure the terminals face to the sky, the blue to the sky, and then simply place and close. Before closing up, if you want to use an external SDXC card, that's where it goes, right there. It's weather sealed, IP rated, all doors click and close. On the opposite side, the same principle. Opens up, slides down, and USB-C door area. You can force the door off. I'm not doing that. Your camera. 2 mics, one in the front, one down here, your speaker here. Look real hard in the center. There's the other mic. You got your switches, and you got your on and off. When you turn your camera on for the first time, it'll say English, date and time, and then you're ready to go. This is a cage. What we're going to do is take the camera, open up the cage, and we're going to carefully make sure that the side button goes in this way. It sits in there firmly, and that's all I can do with this cage. It doesn't close. It misses by just a few. It is not for the Sphra. This is one of the major companies. So it tells you that the DJI Osmo 360 is a little smaller, just a little. I don't know if you can see it. You can see the distance between the lens and the lens guard. I'm going to hit the on button. We're on 360. It's going to say panoramic video and photo when I hit the button.
Panoramic photo. Panoramic video.
If I want to hit record, I hit the record. If I want to swing around, I could swing around. Let's hit the record button. And I'm able to swing around while recording and look around. If I want to stop the video, I hit the record button again. And it's a little hard, but you get used to it. If I want to go through the settings and all, I can swipe down, hand gesture, quick start, customs, editing, locking, lock the screen. This is where you come here and your internal storage is basically hit. It's a little different than the other cameras, and it's pretty quick in doing that. Back out. You have your gear. You have the about camera, the time for the screen to go off, auto off, low light, LED, your files, your bit rate, your audio backup, Wi-Fi settings, horizontal calibration, language, date, time, factory reset. You got the 2 dashes that you go into your Pro. You got your auto exposure, your EV value, the ISO. You got your shutter. You got motion blur, so this way the jitters go away at nighttime. You got your normal bit and your X log. You don't have 8-bit. It's a 10-bit camera altogether. You have an endurance mode and you have an image adjustment, and you have the same thing just about without pro mode. If you hit the microphone, you have channel stereo, wind noise reduction, standard, smart, and high, and off. You're saying, hey, where's the microphone? Where's the DJI or Xtra mic? You got to download firmware. Downloading firmware is simple as turning on your smartphone. Opening up the Xtra app, the Sphra. You got codes to enter, hit accept. Join. New firmware immediately. Offers Bluetooth wireless microphone connectivity, download. And let's move the camera back just a little bit so this way we have here showing you what the camera sees and everything. We have a home, 4K, camera, cog gear. In the cog gear, we have the Pro, Grid, Overexposure Alert, Histogram. If we click on the 4 circles, we have the device management, storage, and about. To get out of this, simply hit anywhere on the screen. We have here is a little circle. We have down below a play button. We show all videos that were taken. Nothing is shown. We have here is a double circle. Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. That is your front and back. We have on the bottom 360 and single lens. We have here is extreme video, photo. If we click on single lens again, we have night view mode. We can slide over and we'll go all the way over. Hyperlapse, time lapse, bullet time, auto follow mode, night view mode, video and photo. If we hit here the 4K video resolution, 6K, 24, 25, and 30 frames. Those are the resolutions we have. Remember, the highest is the 4K. 6K is like 3K because it's using the full sensor. Hit on a screen anywhere. Hitting this area here gets you into the ISO range, manual, shutter speed, EV value. I like to always keep my EV down 0.5. If we hit on the home, we go out of the unit. And then we have here is device, new project, editing. And in here, you could log in if you like. And if you want to go to the camera of your Muse, your Atto, and so forth. And that is everything of this application. The update, just simply hit it. It goes away. Now you're waiting for the next update. You can do a lot of things with 360. 360 is dedicated to all your special needs. If you want to look like you're flying a drone, you get yourself a 3-meter stick. A 6-meter stick will do just fine. It'd be a little less heavy up there, if asked. Now in here, there is a little delay. As you can see, I am shaking. I guess that's quite the norm in any camera. If I shut down the application and I turn back on the application, I am up and running, and now the latency is gone. Well, here we are, ready to go out, go have fun. This was the unboxing of the Xtra Sphra. Welcome to the Xtra family. If you're looking for an action camera, an all-in-one camera, maybe the Sphra will be right for you. You're looking for a content creator camera, this is what I'm shooting on right now, the Xtra Muse. You just want to have an action camera all around, just grab and go. That's the Xtra Atto. You want to have it all? These are the 3 cameras that will do it all. There's really no need to go now and go get the Edge or the Edge Pro because the Atto is in between those 2 cameras. It's even a little bit better than the Edge Pro in low light, we say. This is a 1-inch sensor, the same as the Muse. I hope you enjoy your product, the unboxing of the Xtra Sphra. Come back, see some test samples on the next video or so. Visit me over in the studio at the other platform. Even on this platform, we'll do some lives and all. Any questions you got, post down below. The one major question everybody has? No. it ain't the same because this proves it's not a DJI. Have a great day and enjoy your camera from Xtra. Oh, before I go, please, before placing in the case, put on your microcloth and then place in and close up. That's just me. Have a great day.